This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. December 29th, Sunday morning. I gotta go fix a faucet at like a daycare facility. So there's no one there on the weekends. I go by there if there's any repairs to be done. I'll go by there and pop in. There's no one around. Makes it a lot easier for me. So it says when he turns it on, it leaks. Well, it might be something simple. Hoping I don't have to replace the faucet, but we'll check it out when we get there. Try to get you some shots. Pretty nice out today. I mean, it's probably gonna be like 45. It's probably 30, 32, 33 now. This Molly's got a new sweater. I'm always buying the new sweaters. Got a new sweater today. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Wolverine brass. That might just be, it might just need to be tightened. See it leaking down right there, huh? See what we can do. Oh man, there's no shut-offs under this thing. I got that board the whole way. I'll probably just shut the whole main off for now. See if I can get the handle off of there. Maybe I can tighten it without. That thing does drop out. It's not going to go down the sink because I got a strainer in there. I don't have to take it out all the way. It should be enough. Get the head and thing off of there. Don't seem like it. Don't seem like it wants to come off of there, does it? Wow. No, don't seem like it wants to come off. Sometimes you gotta just replace the whole faucet. I mean, it's just how it is. Just needs to be tightened, but I can't get the flipping thing off of there. Not good. I usually don't like using stuff like this on these type of jobs, but maybe if I can get some in there. And, maybe if I let it soak for a bit, it'll come off. I get the handle off, I could probably fix this thing. Let's hold on. I'll try that. Get some jism in there. This stuff's pretty good, this Creo. See if I get that handle off somehow. If I can put pliers on it, maybe yank on it or something. I can't get that off, can't fix it. I don't think so. It's gonna make it worse. It's gonna make it worse. I'm probably gonna have to change the whole faucet. Yeah, it's even worse. I'm gonna have to change it. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to change the faucet. I got one in the truck, but not like that. So I'll put a regular Delta in there. I'll take this panel off. So, to take the panel off to get to it, it's gotta come off. And we can shut it off under here and change the faucet. I mean, that's all I can do. Drain's looking a little crusty. I did drop this panel down. You can see this panel. I had to drop it down. We'll shut it off and we'll change the faucet. Wow. Let me get a faucet out of the truck and we'll do what we gotta do to it. Looks like this is feeding a couple of, no, it's just feeding the sink. There's a T that feeds the sink on the other side, looks like. Looks like they did a cattywampus job on it. I don't think that's legal, but somebody's been in here playing around with stuff. I can't get that faucet apart, so I have to change it. Alright, let's see if it shuts the water off. Alright, we'll change it out. No big deal. Got a grubber I'll put in there. That grubber in there. That's all I got. Good enough for this neighborhood. Meets the handicap requirement for the handles. I don't know what these supplies are going to look like. They didn't look too bad. We might use them. Now this thing doesn't have a pop-up assembly because it's a commercial building. So we're just going to change just the faucet. That should be fine. They usually come out pretty easily. If they're rusted, sometimes they'll back out from the top of the faucet. Get it down enough just to get that nut off of there, that washer assembly. So get the old faucet off, we'll clean up the base and we'll put a new faucet on there. Sometimes you just have to replace stuff. I mean, it's just how it is. Sometimes you can't fix it. I could get the handle off. I could have probably fixed that thing, but I couldn't get the handle off. Just making it worse. So we'll just give it the old how you doing, Mom, and get rid of it. And for a new rag, what do you think? The rag's getting it's a little wet from being in the box. Time for a new one. I got a new rags. Just gonna put the nuts on the bottom and tie it in. This one don't have a pop-up assembly because it's a commercial building. They can't have that by code. You tell it's been dripping. See how it's getting all puffy. Blowing up like a wood tick. Retaining nuts on there. That's what holds the faucet. This particular faucet's got retaining nuts on there to hold it. Okay, once we get it tight, I mean, we could still move it from up top if we had to a little bit, but we want to get it close. And we'll put the basin wrench on there and give it the old how you doing, Mama. Give it the old how you doing, Mama. Had plenty of water flow, so I'm not worried about the supplies. They seem to be fine. We'll reuse them. I only change things that need to be changed. I'll tell you, the drain on the sink ain't looking so kosher. But I have changed some of these other ones in here in the past. This head just flips over for tightening or loosening. That's what they call a basin wrench. For getting up in there and tightening stuff up like that, you know. That's what they call a basin wrench. Old plumber's friend from way back. You want to open them all the way and then back a little bit is what you want to do. See, this has got a drip to it. We'll tighten this packing up. There's a packing up there. We'll tighten that one up. Maybe tighten this one up a little bit if it needs it. I think I already tightened that one up before, but that was good. Alright, that should do it. Make sure we got no the stuff is tight. Sometimes it's better to give it a second to set and then try to give it a little bit more. Give it the old how you doing, mama. Alright, that should do it right there. We'll check it, run it, check it for leaks, and then get this base back together. Yeah, the drain's looking a little crusty. I don't have one to replace it, but you should probably do them both. Once you start seeing water on the floor, well, it won't be long, he'll be replacing them. You start seeing water on the floor, we'll have to come back and do it. Alright guys, so I got the base back in there and we got the new faucet. It should be good to go. It's a little different. This is a Wolverine brass single handle, but I don't have one of them in the truck. But that's actually a better faucet, so we'll go with that. Base is back on there. Good to go. You miss me? Oh yeah, you miss me. You miss Daddy? Oh, I know you did. You miss me. I know you miss me. Yeah, I know you miss me. Yeah, you did. You miss Daddy. Oh yeah, you love Daddy. Put all kinds of stuff on you. They're all dirty today. Hmm? You're all dirty today. I like your new sweater though. You're looking very stylish. Oh yeah, you're looking very stylish there, Miss Polly.